Did you recently hear or see something that completely blew your mind? If so, you could use the Italian adjective
Pazzesco.
to describe it.
Pazzesco.
Pazzesco derives from the adjective
Pazzo.
which means crazy or insane. The way in which pazzesco differs from pazzo is as follows. Pazzo is used to define a person's behavior or state of mind. For example,
Un uomo pazzo.
a crazy man. It may also refer to something that's typical of a crazy person. For example,
Un'idea pazza.
a crazy idea. Pazzesco can denote something senseless or absurd, just like pazzo. For example,
Un piano pazzesco.
a crazy plan. However, it may also refer to something exaggerated or over the top.
Fare un freddo pazzesco.
To be terribly cold.
Avere una fame pazzesca.
To be terribly hungry.
Fare una fatica pazzesca.
To work really hard or to make a big effort.
È arrivato alla festa con un ritardo pazzesco.
He arrived at the party incredibly late. In a positive sense, pazzesco colloquially refers to something incredible or amazing. For example,
Un concerto pazzesco.
an amazing concert.
Il nuovo brano di Elisa è pazzesco. Potrei ascoltarlo tutto il giorno senza mai stufarmi.
The new song by Elisa is amazing. I could listen to it all day and never get tired of it. In colloquial Italian, you'll often hear the exclamation,
Ma è pazzesco!
it's crazy, it's ridiculous, in relation to things that are surprising, amazing, or ridiculous. You can also use pazzesco on its own.
Ma è pazzesco! Il pilota ha finito il Gran Premio su 3 ruote.
That's crazy. The driver finished the Grand Prix on 3 wheels.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.